What if I told you that earning money right now has never been easier? All you have to do is post something. You can do it every time you have free time, and you're still gonna earn a lot of money. I'm gonna be showing you a passive income strategy in today's video where you can earn hundreds of dollars without even doing too much work. It's something anyone and everyone can do. So you're gonna type in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. You can join in on today's method even if you have no prior experience. It's 100% free. All you need is whatever device you already have and also an internet connection. All you have to do is follow some simple steps that I'm going to be discussing. These are hassle-free and super easy to do. And of course, I'm going to be showing you everything and helping you guys along the way. So sit back, relax, pay close attention, finish the video until the very end so that you don't miss anything important. And let's jump right into it. So the website that I am talking about is called Reddit, and obviously this website is very known to you guys, 100% I'm sure. But if it's not, well then, a little background. Reddit is just a place to follow, internet celebrities and topic groups. But a thing that I'm sure most of you did not know is that Reddit can actually pay you real money. And to do that, what you're gonna do is open up a brand new website which is called kickbooster.me. And this is the website, and basically Kickbooster offers crowdfunding developers technology solutions. And this website is used to campaign, and you can join a ton of campaigns or firms. And yes, you can earn daily commissions for campaign boosting activities. So, how do we get started with this website? It's very simple. You have two options. After visiting their website, you can either click on the sign up button, which you can find in the upper right corner, or the user box, which you can find along the top buttons. And if you choose sign up, you are going to be promoted to or brought to sign up for a project creator's account, which is not what we want, okay? Because you want to be an affiliate rather than a creator. So you have to make sure before signing up, if it says project creator on the left side, you're gonna have to scroll down to the most bottom part of the page, and then you're gonna click on sign up as an affiliate. But if you do click on the user tab, you're gonna see a drop down menu. It's gonna appear, and then you're just gonna select again affiliate, and then this is gonna take you to a website page that will basically show you what a Kick Booster performed the action to take and how they're paid. So all you have to do is you're going to scroll down a little on this page. Then you're going to see the sign that says sign up for free. You're going to click on that sign, and then you're going to be brought to the create your account page where you're then going to enter in your name, your email address, you're going to create a password, and then obviously a referral code label, which by the way, this is a completely free service with no hidden fees, no payments, no investments, no nothing at all. Okay, the moment you're done, you can submit your account application. You have to verify your account. So to do so, you're going to open up your email address that you have connected with Kickbooster. You're going to find an email like this one, and you are going to verify, and you're going to confirm the email link, and then you're going to go back to your Kickbooster dashboard basically. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do on this website is basically grab your unique affiliate links to the favorite projects of yours on Kickbooster. And then you're going to get paid for every single purchase made using your link. So basically, short story is that you're going to go on Kickbooster, you're going to be affiliate on specific and certain projects, and then you are going to go back to Reddit, and that is where you're going to find your targeted audiences. Now, Reddit is a huge platform with so many people on it, so how are we going to find the perfect ones? Well, obviously, we are going to find out. There's only one way to know, and that's if you keep on listening. Now, before we go on any further, further, I want you guys to check out the links in the description box. These links were carefully created and curated by us for our subscribers and our viewers if you want to earn some more money. So if you want to earn money, you want to earn some more and some more money, you're going to click on those links in the description box. So make sure you do that. Also, why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid. PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. So, the more you share, obviously, and the more you promote, the more money you're going to make. So I'm going to show you later how you're going to use Reddit to actually promote your affiliate links with the targeted audience that we want. Those audience that are interested in the Kick Booster products that we are going to promote. So, obviously, it's such a big thing to be able to find specific people, right? But obviously, Reddit is going to help us do that. So, after registering, the next step is to choose your campaigns to earn money. So you're going to go to the websites to Kick Boosters Marketplace, and then you're going to look through hundreds of potential campaigns. Now, this option can actually be found on the left side of your screen or the left side of your dashboard. And whatever you want to promote, I'm 100% sure Kick Booster has that for you. And to actually save time and find campaigns that match your type of earning experience, you're just going to arrange your campaign search by newest arrivals or recent picks, most funded, ending soon, crowdfunded, and high to low commission campaigns. So, campaigns would also inform you how much of the commission percentage you'd get if you did promote successfully. You could be getting 10% of the cut. If you ask me, that's actually a pretty good place to begin. And as soon as you've chosen your campaign, you're going to be given a booster link that you're going to be able to advertise, which will now bring us to the next step, which is how are we going to successfully promote it and make money. Of course, we now know where we're going to go and where we're going to post the campaigns. And in a few, I'm going to show you how you can actually efficiently use Reddit and get the target audience that you want that is going to be for sure interested in the things that you're going to be selecting. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit that notification bell so that you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. And let's keep going. Now, once you've decided on a product on Kick Booster, you're going to click on it to be brought to a brand new page. And if you select the View Campaign tab, you're going to get additional information about this product, including how much they've earned so far and more details. And then to continue, you're just going to go back to the previous page and you're going to select Boost Our Campaign. And then you're going to be brought to a page where you can finally get your referral link. And after you have your referral link, you can finally use it to promote it on Reddit, which has become super popular over time, right? So you're going to go on, especially in the pandemic. I just wanted to put that in there. So, when you go onto reddit.com, you're going to create an account with your email address. And to increase the visibility of your link, you're going to share it on your Reddit timeline. But first, you're going to need a lot of people to look at your post, to click on it, and actually interact with it, right? What you're going to do now is you're going to look for communities that are interested in your offering. If your chosen product has anything to do with tech, the internet, mobile phones, or anything at all, this is the place to be. All you need to do is look for communities or discussions that share interests related to your choice of campaign. Also, the groups or communities in Reddit has the most members and active group contributions if you want to improve your link faster. So I do highly suggest that you join as many of these organizations, these discussions, these communities as possible. Reddit has a wide range of communities with a lot of different interests, and you have the complete and utter freedom to choose. And after all that, all you have to do is write a supercharged Reddit post using all of the campaigning talents. Then you're going to add your link. Obviously, you have to insert that there and to be checked out, and it has to be sweet and simple. And after you've completed all of these procedures, all you have to do now is wait for all these people to see your posting, click the link, purchase the product with your link, and right away you're gonna get paid your commission when they donate to the campaign that you had chosen to boost. So you can simply work all day at your regular 9-to-5 job, go about your daily routine, and then you're just gonna receive random pop-up notifications that you've gotten commission after commission after commission. It's incredible. I know you guys are gonna absolutely love this, so go ahead and start it. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.